आ ही गए हैं. Okay, let us start our three-phase cycloconverter, right? In previous lecture, we have seen single-phase cycloconverter, its various configuration like single-phase step-up cycloconverter. Ekta is coming. Let me admit her. So, step-up cycloconverter, step-down cycloconverter, midpoint type cycloconverter, as well as this. Second, let me take the screenshot for your notes. Just give me 1 sec. Just give me 1 sec. Screen. Okay, fine. The single phase AC regulator various configuration. This step up, step down, midpoint, as well as this time we have also drawn the circuit for three phase to single phase cycloconverter, right? This type of cycloconverter is used where we require, it is requested to everyone turn off your video as well as this mic, right? Because if you turn on your video, then the streaming will create problem. And don't touch your mobile phone every time. Don't try to do chatting or refreshing the screen or anything, right? Otherwise it will be very difficult to conduct this session. I could see Ankita, just mute your microphone. I am going to.
रितेश कह रहा है शायद वो रिक्वेस्ट भेज रहा है.
वो यही होता है कि आपके फोन वगैरह में कॉल आती रहती है और 10-5 मिनट पहले ही आ जाओ तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है. बिल्कुल आखिरी का इंतजार करते हो. अब मैं 12 बजे से मीटिंग खोलूं तो भी प्रॉब्लम है, वो फिर हो नहीं पाती है, 20 मिनट में हो जाती है. रितेश प्लीज बी ऑन टाइम. आप मान के चलो बस आपकी क्लास का टाइम 12:15 है और ये तो सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू स्टार्ट है. आप देखते होंगे 12:15 पे स्क्रीन ज्वाइन करने लगती है आपको, राइट? बी
यस सर, तो कॉल आ गया था तो वो मेरे को समझ नहीं पाया सर. स्विच ऑफ और ऑन करना पड़ता है ताकि नेट सही आए, इस वजह से सर.
ओके ओके दोस्त हैं, नहीं मैं आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड बट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड माय प्रॉब्लम एज वेल बिकॉज इफ माय फ्लो गेट डिस्टर्ब ईच एंड एवरी टाइम.
यस सर, यस सर, आई विल बी ऑन
Okay,
टाइम.
let us start. So let me change the view.
ओके.
This.
करो भी करो
कुछ ये क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है भाई. Okay, this is open somewhere else. Let me close this. Now I believe it will come. Fine. This we have seen yesterday, right? If you remember that, let me change the view. Is it coming now? मृदुल तुम टाइम पे नहीं रहते हो. कल भी तुम्हारी क्लास नहीं हो पाई और आज भी जो है आप लेट हो गए. आज आपकी माताजी का भी फोन आया था कि आप घर में पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हो, इस मीटिंग के बाद मेरे को मिलिए आप, राइट? मृदुल आपको आवाज पहुंच गई मेरी? मृदुल, मृदुल इज हियर और नॉट? ओह, अभी तक ये ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाए. लेट हिम ज्वाइन. मृदुल, मृदुल, you just turn off your video. Mradul, turn off. Okay, fine. मृदुल, आप कल भी क्लास में नहीं आए और आज आपकी मम्मा का भी फोन आया था कि आप जो है पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे हो, राइट? तो आप इस मीटिंग के बाद जब 2 बजे क्लोज हो जाए तो मेरे को कॉल करिए या मीटिंग करिए मेरे से, तो ये ठीक बात नहीं है, घर वालों को परेशानी नहीं होनी चाहिए। Okay, let us start. So this three-phase cycloconverter, it is being used where you want single-phase supply at lower or higher frequency. There, this type of configuration is used. You can notice there is one group of positive converter and one is for negative converter, right? We will see the output voltage waveform for step down case, right? Step down we will discuss. Clear? Because in case of step up it is no problem, right? Because there is a natural commutation. There is a natural commutation, right? So in case of in case of step up, there is a forced commutation. As you remember this, output was 6 times fs, then you have to forcefully commutated each device, right? In case of output voltage is the highest as compared to the output frequency is higher as compared to the input frequency, right? We will not see the forcefully commutation circuit, forcefully commutation of this device. We will see the output voltage and how in what fashion these devices should be triggered to get the reduced frequency output. In this case, what we do, let me share the screen. Actually, where is PPT? Is this? Okay, let me select here. You can see this PPT is visible to everyone. This PPT is visible. Can anybody tell me? Is it visible to all of you?
Yes.
Good. Fine. So here, this is our single phase, 3-phase to single phase cycloconverter, which I have shown you just in previous view. To get the reduced output, what we do? Reduced output means output voltage remains same, means the output voltage will follow the input voltage profile, but the only difference is in the frequency. You will get various frequency. Here, what we do, actually our target is to get this dotted line as a fundamental voltage. Means this voltage should be maximum at this middle point, right? And minimum at these two extreme points. So in this case, what we do, we started triggering the voltage at alpha equal to 90, because you know it is always 3 Vm upon 2 pi cos of alpha. So alpha is equal to 90. So at this instant, the output voltage of this cycloconverter is 0. Now we keep on reducing the firing angle in this direction. We keep on reducing the firing angle in this direction. And finally, at the middle, where we want the maximum output, this firing angle becomes 0. And again, we started firing angle. From alpha equal to 0 to, we start increasing, and at this instant, it again comes at 90 degree. It again comes at 90 degree. Means it should be like this, 90 to 0, 90 to 0, right? At this point, we have the maximum output. At this point, we have the maximum output. Then again, it start decreasing. Decreasing means output should be decreased. For that, we have to again increase the firing angle for positive cycle. This is for positive cycle. to get this curve, we have to we have to trigger the devices like this. Means at the beginning it should be 90, then where is the screen? Okay, then at middle it should be 0, then further it should be increase up to 90. So you will get this type of fundamental, which is shown here in the form of dotted line, this type of fundamental voltage. And to get the negative cycle, what you have to do for inversion, let me erase all these. For inversion, we have to trigger at 90, and then it should be increase up to 180, and then again it should be decrease up to 90, right? At this instant, firing angle is 90. You can notice at this instant. Let me take the, at this instant it is 90, right? And from here to here it is increasing, and it reaches 180, 3 Vm upon me 2 pi cos of alpha. Cos alpha is 180, means it, at this time it will give you the maximum value. It will give you the maximum value, which is the 3 Vm upon me 2 pi, because each converter is operated as half wave converter, right? So it will give you the maximum value, and again it should be decreased up to 90. So in this direction, 90, 0, 90, then again 90 to 180, then this, and this is the current waveform. If this is the fundamental, current is lagging with this at certain load power factor angle. This is the certain load power factor angle, which is defined as the fundamental volt angle between the fundamental voltage and the current, right? Which is the angle between the fundamental voltage and the current. So you will get this type of current. At this instant, voltage is 0, but current is not 0. So inversion is taking place from here to here, inversion is taking place, because voltage is, current is positive, voltage is negative. Then again, voltage as well as current both are negative, so rectification takes place. Then after that, current is negative but voltage is positive, so inversion takes place. Inversion is take place whenever whenever there is difference, means voltage and this current is out of phase. Voltage and current is out of phase, then this type of inversion take place. Clear? कहीं कोई कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं? You should not have any confusion. किसी को कहीं कोई दिक्कत हो तो मेरे को बता दो. If you have any doubt, please let me know. If you do not have any doubt, just raise your hand or give some indication so that I can understand. Yes, there should be not any doubt. Neither I am seeing any rain has. Okay, most means 4 or 5 people are saying it's okay, right? Good. So let me change the view. Okay. For positive, to get the positive voltage, This is changing from 90 to 0 to again 90, and for negative it is changing from 90 to 180, then again 90. There should not be any confusion. Now, if you look at this circuit, right, the average output voltage of this or this should be same, but it is not the case. So there is always a chances of circulating current between these two converters. Means current is not going to here, it is circulating between these two converters, which was the case in case of dual converter. If you remember, when we studied the dual converter, in case of AC to DC, then we have noticed there is a chances of circulating current. To prevent that circulating current, what we can do? Either we can permanently remove the gating pulses. For example, if we are drawing the positive voltage, then we can remove the gating pulses of this converter so that this converter is not conducting. Or another way, we have to put an interface reactor and operate these two converters in such a fashion that one is operated at alpha, other one has to be operated at pi minus alpha, so that alpha 1 plus alpha 2 should be pi, right? Now, the next configuration, let me change the screen. Next configuration is this 3-phase to 3-phase to 3-phase to 3-phase. Could you see my video as well? Whatever I am writing, can you see along with the screen sharing or not?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Somebody is saying yes, somebody is saying no. Could you see that I am writing?
PPT दिख रही है.
Okay, only PPT is visible. Just wait.
Yes, sir.
Just wait a minute.
Yes, sir.
Now it is visible. 3-phase to 3-phase cyclo converter.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Means when you require 3-phase to 3-phase conversion. Clear? 3-phase to Mradul Singh want to admit. Okay. 3-phase to 3-phase conversion. For that, we have two options. The first case, when load neutral is available. Clear? When load neutral is available. Second case, when load neutral is not available. Right? When load neutral is not available. There are two cases. Load neutral is available, it means load will 3-phase load will have 3-phase will have how many terminal? 6 terminal. Right? And when load neutral is not available, 3-phase will have only 3 terminal. Or if it is a 3-phase 4-wire, then neutral is also available. Then neutral is also available. 3-phase 3-wire terminal, in that case only 3 terminals are available. If 3-phase 4-wire, then neutral is also available, but you don't have 6 terminals. I'm going to show you the screen so that it will be more clear. Now, the PPT screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let me, you can notice, let me change this. This is the 3-phase to 3-phase cycloconverter. Here you can see the load. Neutral is not available. Neutral is not available, right? You don't have access of this. In that case, what we do, we take this configuration, means each single phase, that we have just studied, 3-phase to single phase conversion, where 2 half wave converters are connected. This is connected to each of the phase. This is connected to each of the phase, right? And in this case, they will operate in such a way that current is going from one phase and coming from one phase, and it is going to some of the phase. Means this converter cannot operate individually. It has to operate either these two. Either it can, that this current can go in this, through this negative side converter, or through this negative side converter, right? Another configuration is this. Here you just notice how many devices are required. 6 3 are 18, means 18 devices are required. This is half wave converter. This is half wave. You will get the phase voltage, not the line voltage. You will get the phase voltage, not the line voltage. This is the full wave. Let me erase all this. You will get all this full wave, right? Full wave converter. This is the bridge converter. You can notice this is the bridge converter. It is the same circuit which you use in case of dual converter. This is one full wave bridge converter, 6 pulse converter. This is another 6 pulse converter which is connected back to back. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, right? So total 6, 12, 3 are 36 devices are required. 36 devices are required in this case, right? It will give you the 6 pulse conversion with the help of this. In positive cycle, you will have 6 pulse R, Y, Y, B, V, R, something like that, which we have already studied. Similarly, like here, negative as well, right? And this is also the same type of configuration, only difference is here. Only difference is here. Can anybody tell which one is better and why? Among these two cycloconverters, which one is better and why? Can anybody tell? No one can tell this. Why it is so? Huh? Could you hear my voice or not?
So maybe first one.
Okay, Divyanshu is saying first one is better. Anyone else? Prabhat is there or not? Actually, I am seeing the screen, so I am not able to see your,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Prabhat, which one is better? First one or second one?
सेकंड में होना चाहिए सर बेटर.
Why?
सर रीजन वही कंफर्म नहीं था इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा था.
अच्छा. Okay, Prakash, are you there? Prakash, just tell me, not raise your hand, just tell me which one is better. The first one is better or second one is better? And why? Is it okay or this is okay? See, as far as number of devices, commutation circuit or anything is concerned, both are having the same. Both are having the same component. In two interface reactors are required. Each each phase required 12 devices, so total 36 devices are required. But the second one is better. Why? Because the input current quality of this is much better than this. It will take the current of 6 pulse corresponding to 6 pulse converter, whereas this will give you the performance equivalent to 18 pulse converter. If you talk about the current of this, it will have less THD. The second configuration will have less THD. If you want to draw this, fine. If you don't want to draw, no need to worry. I will give you in the ERP system, right? I will give you all this in your ERP system, so no need to worry. You just concentrate, try to understand the thing. I will give you all this screenshot, this or this, everything I will give you. No need to worry. Fine, I am just taking this, so I will give you. Don't worry. The second one is much better. The reason is it will give you the performance equivalent to 18 pulse converter. It will give you performance equivalent to 18 pulse converter. That is why this is much better configuration. Clear? Divyanshu? Divyanshu?
Yes, sir.
बात समझ में आई भाई? पहला वाला जो है,
Yes, sir.
पहला वाला जो है द फर्स्ट वन, वो आपको जो देगा परफॉर्मेंस, वो 6 पल्स कन्वर्टर क्वेजी स्क्वायर वेव फॉर्म आएगी, जिसका हार्मोनिक स्पेक्ट्रम बहुत खराब होगा. थर्ड हार्मोनिक ऑफ कोर्स नॉट विल बी देयर, बट it will have all 5th 7 order harmonic, right? Whereas this one, it will give you the performance equivalent to 18 pulse converter. TSD is improved in this case, right? So second one is better, but at the same time problem is transformer. The size of the transformer is not size, in fact means winding. It required a special type of winding. It will have one primary and 3 secondary. All these secondaries are phase shifted by 20 degree, means this will be, you can say, at middle one is 0, so upper one is at +20 and lower one will be at -20. This type of converters you can use to develop your project, right? In final year you have to do some project, so you can simulate this type of converter and check the performance. Although this is very old topic, right? Nav Goyal, who is at present IAS, he did on this topic 12 pulse converter, 12 pulse, 18 pulse, all this simulated. He is somewhere around 2011, right? He is 11 pass out student, but of course there is always chances of do something new. Okay, this is the case when neutral is available. Now if the neutral is not available, in the first case you can see, if the neutral is available, then fine, each phase will operate individually. You can notice each phase will operate individually. Look at this phase, it will operate through, current will come here and going here. Individually it will operate. Each phase is operated individually. But when this type of configuration, here you can notice 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 6 terminals of the loads are available. But if 6 terminals of the loads are not available, means they are connected in a star, and that star point is available. And that star point is available. In that case, these converter configuration can be connected like this. You can notice the same configuration. It is shorted here. So it is like this. It is like this. Each neutral point is connected at the top, whereas entry point is connected to here. Clear? So this is the configuration where 36 devices are used, and you will get three-phase output voltage like this. Let me show you. Three-phase output voltage you will get like this. Clear? This is the phase voltage. This is the phase voltage. Remaining phases are phase shifted by 120 degree. You will get phase voltage like this. Clear? So for AC voltage, for AC to AC conversion, as you remember in the very first lecture, I told you three possibility. Let me open that particular page. No, it is not available with me. No problem. The first one was that AC regulator. The second one was the cyclo converter. And the third one, this meeting is going to be end within 1 minute or 2 minutes. So no need to go here and there. We will start immediately, right? We will start immediately. The third configuration is the third circuit which is used for this type of conversion is matrix converter. This is the matrix converter. In the matrix converter, you convert directly from the supply to output. Directly from supply to output. Let me erase all these. See, this matrix converter is again a topic. See, it is also in the syllabus, as well as it could be used for your project work. Why I am telling to all of you, because some of you might be interested in the field of power electronics, but as I have already taken 2 groups, so it is not possible that you can do project under my guidance, even if you wish to do. If you don't like, so it's fine, but if you like, then it is not possible at this stage. But if you took any of the topic in this field, I will be available. I will be available to help you out along with your guide. If your guide permit you to ask me related to your project and all, right? But as far as syllabus is concerned, this topic is having less weightage. Less weightage means it could be asked in your quiz whether matrix converter is a single stage or double stage AC to AC converter or not, something like that. Or basic fundamental circuit could be asked, but definitely detailed study would not be asked. One student, Mohit Purwar, did this, I think he is from 2008 batch, 8 or 9 batch, right? You can check in my CV. 2009, one student already did under my guidance this 3-phase converter.